Hello and welcome back, everybody. It's Brennan's Mobile Detailing here, reporting from Spruce Grove, Alberta. We got ourselves a real good one today. A van, stow and go behind us. Let me give you guys a walkthrough and show you guys what we got going on here. First detail out here in Edmonton. Want to say it's taken me a long time to get here, but I'm super thankful and proud of myself to get to this point. So thank you everybody who's been liking and supporting me. Here we go, a little walkthrough of what we got here behind us. We got the full interior, exterior detail done on this van. Let me give you guys a walkthrough and show you what I did here on this van. That's it until next time. For anybody looking to have their vehicles detailed, feel free to give Brennan's Mobile Detailing a shout. Cheers, have yourself a wonderful weekend.